Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The project we're going to be talking about today is called Roborovski. Now, the website is roborovski.org. I'm going to put the link of this amazing NFT in the description below in the video. You can go check it out there. If you want to go check out other NFT that I have reviewed, you can go onto my YouTube channel, The Educational Network, and you can check them out. And you can drop me a message if you want me to review any other NFTs. I've been in the NFT space. I'm doing a review of a lot of different NFT, which I feel are going to be huge in the NFT space. Getting back to Roborovski. Roborovski is an amazing NFT. The first impression that you get is this fun hamster. You can take a part of the origin story and the ultimate master plan of a little hamster named Roborovski. Discover the superb 10,000 piece collection of the NFT artwork. This is going to be launching and minting in 2 days, 4 hours, and 2 minutes. So guys, if you're thinking of investing in NFT, I highly recommend. They've got their Twitter, they've got their Instagram, they've got their Facebook, they've got their Discord, and they're available on OpenSea as well. And you can buy them from the website as well at roborovski.org. You can connect your wallet from here. Now guys, one of the most important things you got to keep in mind is that if you're thinking about investing in an NFT and buying an NFT, please make sure you join their Discord. Let me scroll down and show you how much fun this is. The story behind Roborovski the hamster is left alone and forgotten. Roborovski's size keeps him isolated from the hustle and bustle of Marvin's pet shop. Resentment and jealousy begins to pour into his body, where he will storm the world in a murderous rampage and become part of this monumental tale. And Marvel Studios has lovingly made the NFT artwork collection that narrates his story, paired with an exclusive film for owners, one of the most revered names in the comic books, video game, film, and media art. And I believe as time heads forward, we will see comic books, we will see cartoons and series that'll be coming out up for this Roborovski NFT. So obviously, if you're part of their journey, you will actually get this NFT. This is an investment in long term, and each Roborovski NFT is a piece of art that tells an immersive and meaningful story of its owner. As you can see, the NFTs are quite unique. The NFTs have a lot of creativity and fun angle to them. Now, why adapt this fascinating creature? The prospective owners will have the chance to be early adapters in the new creative community and get exclusive content, access to exclusive and award-winning short film about Roborovski. And the story is yours. Shape the story of Roborovski with the owner's input into his future. And the community support the greater art community with $50,000 grant to take part in the project and broaden the horizons of Roborovski. Now, the rocket ride is one of the most exciting art adventures in the present day, and the team has outlined a roadmap to ensure that any perspectives smoothly sail into project promises with the launching of the NFT. The team prepares meticulously for the launch of the Roborovski NFT to ensure every sale of the artwork is seamless, and they will offer quality pieces of artwork to prospective buyers, getting around the gas war to ensure that they sell at a fair price. Exploring the lore behind Roborovski, anybody who has purchased the NFT will have access to watch the Roborovski film to discover his origin story. The first 20 buyers can order exclusive merchandise with their unique artwork hand-signed by the creative team and shaping the future of the project. The NFT owners do not only get a valued piece of art, but are integral in creating the future for Roborovski. Ideas on the table include films, blockchain games, TV series, and a metaverse project. However, it's all in your hands. We will get together to shape a profitable and exciting future for the revenge-driven hamster. And executing the owner's idea. Votes on the future will take place where the creative team will action the majority idea. And that is the beauty of this particular NFT, that you are a part of their journey. And owning this NFT means you're a part of the life of Roborovski, and you will know what's happening and you will have a say. So become part of this legacy And the main and the most important thing you got to keep in mind is the fact that the people that have created are individuals that understand the crypto space, understand the NFT space, and the reason behind them creating it in this amazing manner is that they know that this is going to be the next big thing and is going to blow every other NFT out of the water. So if you're thinking about investing in a passive NFT, an NFT that is going to be successful, this is the one you got to invest in. So keep this in mind, that this NFT is going to be absolutely brilliant. Now, let me show you their Instagram. Let me show you their Twitter. Now, their Twitter is absolutely amazing. The amount of interaction they have on the Twitter is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to follow them. They have 81,600 followers. I'm going to increase that by one. An NFT project initiated by the Hollywood class enterprise of SYA Concept Caravan Studio, based on the character created by Patel and Tilda Harvey, is absolutely amazing. And as I scroll down, you can see the amount of interaction they have, the engagement they have with potential NFT buyers, and the information they're giving individuals. Absolutely amazing. So guys, if you're thinking about buying this NFT, you gotta get on their Twitter. You gotta follow them on Twitter, because Twitter is the place where you get reliable information. The second thing you gotta go is check their Instagram out. The Instagram holds a lot of information and a lot of characters. They got 2,334 followers, and I'm going to increase it by one number. They got 2,335 followers now. As I scroll down, you can just see the growth of this project, the way they're taking this hamster, growing it, making it into a character, and developing that character to be absolutely fun. And obviously we see potential in this character where it will become a TV series, will become a comic book, where there'll be movies about this. And obviously, if you are an NFT holder, if you're an individual that has an NFT of Roborovski and have a say in what his life journey is going to be, where it will go, how they'll go about doing it, this is the NFT you should buy. And obviously mark the days on your calendar, because the mint is about to happen, and as soon as it's minted, there's only 10,000 of them available, and there's 80,000 to 100,000 people that are ready to buy these 10,000 pieces. It's gonna go in minutes, if not seconds. So guys, if you want to get information about successful NFTs, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and your family so they can also invest in successful NFTs. So until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.